In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink OneDrive on Windows 11. If you're looking to stop OneDrive from syncing your files without uninstalling anything, unlinking is the clean, reversible way to do it. Unlinking disconnects your PC from your OneDrive account, pauses all sync activity, and leaves your files exactly where they are. Anything already in the cloud stays in your OneDrive online, and anything already on your computer stays in your OneDrive folder locally. You can always reconnect later if you change your mind. Start by opening Windows Explorer, also known as File Explorer. Click the folder icon on your taskbar to bring it up. Once File Explorer opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the OneDrive folder. It may show your organization or personal account name next to it, but don't worry about that. Just locate the folder itself. Right-click the OneDrive folder. This brings up a context menu with options specific to OneDrive. In that menu, move your mouse over the OneDrive entry to reveal additional options. You'll see choices related to your cloud files and app controls. Here, click Settings. That opens the OneDrive settings window, which is where we'll make the change. Inside the OneDrive settings window, select the Account tab. This tab shows which account is currently connected, your storage details, and controls for how your PC links to the cloud. We're going to use it to disconnect the link between this Windows 11 device and your OneDrive. Now click Unlink. On many systems, this appears as Unlink this PC. After you click it, OneDrive will stop syncing files to and from this computer. If you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and approve. When it's done, the cloud status icons next to your files will stop updating, and the OneDrive app will no longer run in the background for this account. Your local OneDrive folder remains on your computer, so you can keep working with those files just like any other folder. And your files in the cloud remain safely in OneDrive online, accessible through the web or other devices still linked. If you ever want to sync again, simply open OneDrive and sign back in to reconnect. But for now, that's it. You've successfully unlinked OneDrive on Windows 11. This is a great option if you're troubleshooting sync issues, switching accounts, or just want more control over what's stored locally versus in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take charge of your files with confidence.